Welcome to the fourth lesson of the Rajyoga Meditation series. Till now, we got to know the answer of two main questions. 1. Who am I? And 2. Who is God? Here we will understand the answer to the question, where does God reside? The common perception amongst people is that God is everywhere, or that the God is omnipresent. If that is true, then how do we remember God? And how do we take powers from Him? The truth is that God is not omnipresent. God is the resident of the supreme abode, which is above this physical world of 5 elements. Above the stars and the planets, this is the world of souls, from where I and you have come from. This is our sweet home, the home of sweet silence and peace. Filled with the red luminous light of love, this is from where I and you have come from. This world is known by many names in every religion, such as Nirvan Dham, Shanti Dham, Param Dham, Brahma Lok, Mukti Dham, Shiv Dham, Soul World, and also 7th abode. This world cannot be reached through physical means. When we are in deep sleep or meditation, we can experience this world. God Father and all children reside here in absolute peace. Then comes the beautiful world of angels, wrapped in bright white angelic light. This is where our angelic body is. This is also the abode of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankar, the 3 officers of God. Then comes the physical world, the world of 5 elements, where there is immense diversity of flora and fauna. This world is our stage, and we all are the actors. This world is also our school, where we all are students, and life is our biggest teacher. We are also players, and this world is our playground. But above all, this world is the guest house, and we all are guests. Because one day we all have to return to the soul world to reunite with our Supreme Father.
निराकार परमात्मा से कनेक्शन जोड़कर अपने मन को शांत और शक्तिशाली बनाने के लिए सीखिए राजयोग मेडिटेशन। 7 दिन सिर्फ 1 घंटा रोज। आप ब्रह्मा कुमारीज मेडिटेशन सेंटर पर राजयोग निशुल्क सीख सकते हैं। अपने नजदीकी सेंटर का एड्रेस जानने के लिए या मेडिटेशन ऑनलाइन सीखने के लिए आप हमें ईमेल करें contact@awakeningtv.in या कॉल करें 8209333033 या 8209888988 पर।